friends, how are you? I hope you're good and I'm also fine in here. Welcome to my channel English Planet wherein I make videos about English grammar, English proverbs, English idioms and English pronunciations. Well, if you're hearing me for the first time, I'm your friend Sunil. I'm a production engineer. Also, I've done MBA from the University of Mumbai, India. So that's about it. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump straight into the video. Now, in today's chapter, I will be teaching about modifiers, phrases, what is an adjective phrase, and what is an adverb phrase. So, let's get started. Now, what do you mean by modifier? A modifier is a word, phrase, or a clause which describes another word in the sentence. It describes another word in the sentence, or it gives more information about another word in the sentence. There are two types of modifiers: pre-modifiers and post-modifiers. Now, let us look at the examples. The man with black beard was giving the speech. Now here, the noun man is modified. It is giving more information about the noun man. A man with black beard. So with black beard becomes the modifier. Why? Because it gives more information about the noun man. Let us look at the second example. Call the boy in red shirt. Now the noun boy is modified here in red shirt. So call the boy in red shirt is giving more information about the noun boy. In red shirt is the modifier here. The old man was walking slowly. Here slowly is the modifier because it describes the style of walking. How is walking the old man? Slowly. So slowly becomes the modifier. Now phrases. What do you mean by phrase? A phrase is a group of words in a sentence which do not have the subject verb combination. Phrase does not have a subject verb combination. It may have a subject or a verb but not both at a time. So that is a phrase. For example, once in a blue moon, to be free, totally delicious food. These are some of the examples of the phrases. Now, what are the types of phrases? Types of phrases are infinitive phrase, verb phrase, adjectival phrase, adverbial phrase, gerund phrase, conjunctional phrase, participial phrase, appositive phrase, absolute phrase, interjectional phrase, noun phrase, and prepositional phrase. In today's chapter, we shall be learning about adjectival and adverbial phrase. Now, what is an adjective phrase? An adjective phrase is a group of words that contain an adjective that describes a noun or a pronoun. An adjective phrase, I repeat, is a group of words headed by an adjective that describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, he is from Boston. Now, he is the pronoun here. So he is modified. There's more information given about the pronoun he. He is from Boston. So from Boston becomes the adjective phrase. Tom is from Boston. Tom is this noun here, and the more information is given about Tom. So Tom is from Boston. So from Boston becomes the adjective phrase. Adjective phrase. It is a group of words not containing an adjective. Adjective is a phrase which contains a group of words but not containing an adjective. Now some of the examples of the adjective phrase. She had extremely blue eyes. Now this is an adjective phrase that describes the noun eyes. So adjective phrase basically consists of an adjective which describes a noun or a pronoun. So here the noun is eyes. So it is giving more information about the eyes. Extremely blue eyes. So extremely blue is the adjective phrase. She wore very expensive shoes. Here the noun shoes is modified. More information is given about shoes. Very expensive shoes. So very expensive becomes the adjective phrase. Sarah was hostile towards me. So here the noun Sarah is modified, given more information about Sarah. Hostile towards me. She was hostile towards me. So hostile towards me becomes the adjective phrase as it modifies the noun Sarah. Now let us understand the positions of adjectives in the adjective phrase. There are three positions which an adjective phrase occupies. It will come at the start, it will come at the middle, and it will come at the end. So let us see what happens when it comes at the beginning. For example, your overly sensitive friend is crying. So your overly sensitive, it comes at the beginning and it is an adjective phrase. Why it is an adjective phrase? Because it modifies the noun friend. What kind of friend? Your overly sensitive friend. It is describing the word friend. So it's your overly sensitive is the adjective phrase and it comes at the beginning. Now it can also come in the middle position. For example, the girl wearing the red shirt is my friend. Wearing the red shirt becomes the adjective phrase. Why? Because it is modifying the noun girl. It is giving more information on the girl. Girl. Which girl? the girl wearing the red shirt. So wearing the red shirt is an adjective phrase modifying the noun girl. And it can also come, the adjective phrase can also come at the end of the phrase. His behavior was highly polite. Now, highly polite is the adjective phrase. Why? Because it's modifying the noun behavior. It is giving more information about the noun behavior. What kind of behavior was he exhibiting? Highly polite behavior. So, highly polite is an adjective phrase modifying the noun behavior. Now, whenever we talk about adjective phrase, our discussion won't be complete till we talk about attributive and predicative adjective. Now, what is an attributive adjective? An attributive adjective will always come before the noun it modifies and it appears inside the noun phrase. There are two conditions. It will appear before the noun it modifies and it appears inside a noun phrase. Now, let us see some of the examples. My second-hand car didn't have air conditioning. What kind of car? Second-hand car. So, second-hand modifies the noun car. So, second-hand is an attributive adjective. Second hand is an attribute adjective because it comes before the noun car. It modifies the noun car. It comes before the noun car and it comes within the noun phrase. Second hand car is the noun phrase. What is a noun phrase? Noun phrase contains a noun and a modifier. So car is the noun, second hand is the modifier. So second hand is the attributive adjective here. It comes before the noun, it modifies, it comes before car and it modifies and it comes within the noun phrase second hand car. Second one, will we have a starry sky tonight? Now, starry is an attributive adjective because it comes before the noun sky. Before the noun sky and it comes within the noun phrase starry sky. Starry sky is the noun phrase. Noun phrase contains a noun and a modifier. Modifier would be like a, the, and other modifiers, which I have already taught you. He was found with a fractured skull. Now, fractured is an attributive adjective. Why? Because it comes before the noun skull. It modifies the noun skull. What kind of skull? Fractured skull. And fractured skull together is the noun phrase. It comes within the noun phrase. We followed a narrow winding path through the jungle. Narrow winding is an attributive adjective. Why? Because it's modifying the noun path and it comes within the noun phrase narrow winding path. So these are the examples of the attributive adjectives. Now what is a predicative adjective? Predicative adjective always comes after the noun it modifies and it typically follows a linking verb. Linking verb, what is a linking verb? It is not an action word. Linking verb would be examples of linking verb would be is, am, was, were, seem, look, smell, grow, and so on. Become. And a predicative adjective will come outside of the noun phrase. It will come outside the noun phrase. It won't come within the noun phrase. These are the three conditions. The scream was loud. So loud is a predicative adjective. Why? Because it's modifying the word noun scream. And it comes after the linking verb was. And it comes outside the noun phrase the scream. The scream is the noun phrase. It comes, there is a noun, it contains a noun scream and a modifier the. Okay, so the scream was loud. Loud is a predicative adjective. One of the tables is round. Round is a predicative adjective. Why? Because it comes after the linking verb is. It modifies the noun tables and it comes outside the noun phrase. One of the tables is the noun phrase. The sky looks dark. Dark is a predicative adjective. Why? Because it comes after the linking verb looks. It modifies the sky, the noun sky, and it comes outside the noun phrase the sky. The sky is a noun phrase. Why? Because it contains the modifier the and the noun sky. The measurement was difficult but accurate. Now, difficult and accurate, there are two predicative adjectives in this. Because why? Because it comes after the linking verb was and it modifies the noun measurement. And it comes outside the measurement, outside of the noun phrase, that is the measurement. The is the modifier and measurement is the noun. So these are examples of predicative adjectives. Now adverb phrases. Now what do you mean by adverb phrase? An adverb phrase is a group of words that function as an adverb in a sentence. An adverb, what does an adverb do? It modifies the verb, adjective or the adverb. Adverb phrase show how, where, when and why. They answer the following questions: how, where, why and when. The adverb phrase of showing when. Adverb phrase of time states when something happens or how often something happens. Okay, this is the adverb phrase of time. For example, he hunts rabbits every weekend. He hunts rabbits every weekend. So every weekend is the adverb phrase of time. Why? Because he hunts rabbits when? Every weekend. So it's modifying the verb hunts. He hunts when? Every weekend. I have not seen you since Monday. Since Monday is the adverbial phrase of time because it modifies the verb seen. I have not seen you since when? How often? Since Monday. So since Monday is the adverbial phrase of time. Now adverbial phrase of place. It shows where something happens. It shows where something happens. For example, I used to work in a fire hydrant factory. I used to work where? In a fire hydrant factory. So it modifies the verb work. Modifies the verb work means it provides extra information about work. It adds to the meaning of the verb work. They were exiled in another country. They were exiled in another country. In another country is the adverbial phrase of place. You can ask the question, they were exiled where? In another country. You get the answer in another country. So it's an adverbial phrase of place. Exiled is the verb it modifies. Now adverbial phrase of showing how. So it is the adverbial phrase of manner. It states how something is done. For example, he would always talk with a nationalistic tone. He would always talk. Talk how? With a nationalistic tone. It modifies the verb talk. So with a nationalistic tone is the adverb phrase of manner. He sings in a low tone. He sings how? In a low tone. So it modifies the verb sings. So in a low tone is the adverbial phrase of manner. Last one, adverbial phrase of reason. You have to ask here why. It states why something is done. For example, he went to the island to find gold. He went to the island why? To find gold. So it modifies the verb went. So to find gold is the adverbial phrase of reason. He plays up to impress his classmates. He plays up. Why? To impress his classmates. So to impress his classmates modifies the verb plays. He plays up. Why? To impress his classmates. So these were about the adverb phrases. Four kinds of adverb phrases. Now following is the exercise. You can mark your answers inside the comment box below, and I'll definitely get back to you. So following is the exercise. You have to state whether the following is an adverb or an adjective clause. The girl in brown frock is my sister. She always drives with care. They were shouting in a loud voice. The train stopped at Victoria Terminus. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen, from me. I hope it was a learning session for you. Until next time, bye bye, and take care.